Dear students, today we are going to study lesson 1, our body. Our body is made up of many parts like eyes, ears, hair, nose, tongue, thumb, fingers, chest, thighs, stomach, knee, foot. These are called as organs. External organs. Some body organs which can be seen are called external organs. Head, sense organs and limbs are external organs. Head. Our eyes, ears, nose and mouth are part of our head. The front side of the head is called forehead. Our head is made up of a bony box called the skull. Our brain is located inside the skull. Our brain is very delicate and this hard skull protects the brain. This skull is covered by skin and it is called scalp. Hair grows on the skin which covers the skull. Sense organs. Sense organs are our body organs by which we are able to see, smell, hear, taste, and touch or feel. To see, we use our eyes. To hear, we use our ears. To smell, we use our nose. To taste, we use our tongue. And we feel with the help of our skin. So there are 5 sense organs. These sense organs help us to identify the world around us and help us to sense the changes around us. Brain interprets. These sense organs send the information to the brain. The brain then interprets, explain or understand the information given by these sense organs. Eyes. Our eyes are the sense organ of sight. That is, we use our eyes to see. They help us to see things around us. When we see things around us, they send this information to the brain. The brain then tells us the thing we are looking at. Our eyes have eyelids, eyebrows and eyelashes. Eyelids protect our eyes. The eyelids can shut out light so that we can sleep. They will shut very fast if they feel something that is trying to get into our eyes. It also protects the light from bright light. Eyelash protects the eyes from dust. They can catch dust coming and they trap it as our eyelids close. Eyebrows also help to keep dust and sweat out of our eyes. Ears. Our ears are the sense organ of hearing. When we hear some sound around us, the information of sound is then sent to our brain. The brain interprets the sound. That means our brain understands the sound and explains to us what kind of sound it is we are hearing. Nose. Nose is the sense organ of smell. That is, it helps us to smell the odor. We also breathe through our nose. The small and fine hair in our nose prevent dust from entering our body. In this way, it cleans the air we breathe. Tongue. Tongue is the sense organ of taste. We taste things with our tongue. The 4 things we taste are sweet, sour, salty and bitter. Do you know our tongue senses this taste at different areas? Front for salty and sweet, back for bitter and sides for sour. Skin. Our skin is the sense organ of touch. It covers our body. It tells us whether things are smooth, rough, soft, hard, cold or hot. Our fingertips are very sensitive to touch. Care of sense organs. Our sense organs are very important for us. We must take proper care of them. We must not read in dim light or in a moving vehicle. We must wash our eyes with fresh cold water. We must not put any sharp and pointed thing into our ears. We must clean our nose with a clean cloth. We must clean the tongue while brushing our teeth. Our limbs. Our arms and legs are our limbs. Our arms are upper limbs and legs are lower limbs. We use our upper limbs for holding, pushing, pulling, clapping, eating, drinking and drawing figures. Our lower limbs help us to move from one place to another. They help us to walk, run, kick and jump. Till now we have learned about external organs. Now we will study about internal organs. Our brain, heart, lungs and kidneys are located inside the body. That means we cannot see these organs. So they are called internal organs. The brain is located inside our head. It controls the activities of all the organs of our body. The heart pumps the blood to all parts of our body. The lung helps us to breathe. Now let us recap what we have learned today. Our body has many parts which are called as organs. The body organs which can be seen are called as external organs. Our head has hair, eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Our brain is located inside a bony box called the skull. Our arms and legs are our limbs. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our sense organs. Our sense organs help us to identify the things around us. We must take proper care of our sense organs. The body organs which we cannot see are called as internal organs. The brain, heart, lungs and kidneys are our internal organs. I hope that you have understood the lesson. See you soon with another interesting lesson. Goodbye. Have a nice day.